Hello guys, let us discuss some MCQs on guidance and counseling. So let us start. First MCQ is blank is an assistance given to the individual in making intelligent choices and adjustment. A. Counseling, B. Guidance, C. Orientation, या D. Development. It is an assistance given to the individual. Our answer will be B. Guidance. So guidance is an assistance. Guide करना है कि कोई भी choices और adjustment के लिए you are supposed to, as a counselor, you are supposed to guide them. So it is an assistance, help. Next is, out of the following which is not one of the characteristics of guidance? A. Problem solving, B. Service for all, C. One-time process, D. Assistance to individual. Our answer will be C. One-time process. See, guidance is such a kind of a process that is continuous, not one-time process that if you give it once, आपने एक बार दिया और it will be over. No, it is continuous process. So our answer is C. It is not one-time process. Next, what is the need for guidance? Guidance की क्या need है, requirement है? For exploring self, B. Setting goals, C. Determining values, and D. All the above. What is the need for guidance? Guidance की क्या need है? Our answer will be all the above, D. Everything will be included in guidance. For exploring self, goal set करने के लिए, values उसको determine करने के लिए. Next question is, out of the following which is not included in different types of guidance? A. Educational guidance, B. Health guidance, C. Economic guidance, and D. Non-vocational guidance. Giving you 1-2 seconds more to think. Our answer will be D. Non-vocational guidance is not included in different types of guidance. क्योंकि guidance अगर देना है तो उसमें economic आ सकता है, health आ सकता है, educational आ सकता है, vocational आएगा, non-vocational नहीं आएगा. So our answer is D. Next, vocational guidance is usually interpreted as assistance given to learn, to choose and prepare for their dash. वोकेशनल गाइडेंस की क्या ज़रूरत है? पर्सनल गाइडेंस ऑक्यूपेशन के लिए, हेल्थ के लिए, सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन के लिए. सो वोकेशनल गाइडेंस किसके लिए दिया जाता है? पर्सनल, ऑक्यूपेशन, हेल्थ या सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन? आवर आंसर इज बी. वोकेशनल गाइडेंस इज ऑलवेज गिवन, ऑलवेज ऑक्यूपेशन के ऊपर उसको गाइड किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, What are an anecdotal record? Anecdotal record क्या होता है? Record of student education, record of friendly talk, record of students' behavior, record of task by students. Please think. Our answer will be record of students' behavior को हम anecdotal records जो एक tools होते हैं guidance के उसमें वो इंक्लूड होता है. तो इट इज़ अ रिकॉर्ड ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स बिहेवियर, हाउ द स्टूडेंट इज बिहेविंग इन अ पर्टिकुलर डेकोरम. नेक्स्ट, डायरी एज अ टूल कैन बी हेल्पफुल इन विच मैटर्स? ए. टू डिस्क्राइब डिटेल्स ऑफ सिचुएशन, बी. फॉर वेरिफिकेशन, सी. टू डायग्नाइज द प्रॉब्लम, या डी. नन ऑफ द अबव. प्लीज थिंक. डायरी की क्या ज़रूरत होती है? वॉट how can it be helpful as a tool? Our answer is to describe the details of situation. See, डायरी वेरीफाई नहीं करती, कोई प्रॉब्लम को डायग्नाइज नहीं करती, इसलिए डायरी में जो भी लिखा गया है इट इज़ अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन इन विच अ पर्सन इज गिविंग द गाइडेंस. फाइन. नेक्स्ट, विच टूल्स आर इंक्लूडेड इन गाइडेंस? डायरी, क्वेश्चनर, केस स्टडी या इंटरव्यू. And E, all the above. Our answer is E, all of the above are included in guidance, that is diary, questionnaire, case study and interview. What is prognosis in counseling? A. Identifying the nature of the problem. B. Taking steps. C. Predicting the future for the development. D. Emphasizes on the problem. Prognosis को क्या बता रहे हैं काउंसलिंग में, उसका क्या मतलब है? Please have a think upon it. Our answer is C. For predicting the future development को हम काउंसलिंग में prognosis बोलते हैं. Next, what are oriental functions in guidance? A. To adjust in different situation. B. Adjustment on the career planning or educational programming. C. Getting rid of problems. या D. Making appropriate adjustment. Oriental functions क्या होते हैं guidance में? Our answer is B. For adjustment on the career planning, educational programming, या to achieve any occupation for the near future, उसको हम oriental functions बताते हैं guidance में. That's it. Thank you.